The thrill of a hidden discovery is exactly what makes the world of watch collecting so addictive. Most of the time, we are bombarded with press releases and social media ads months before a watch even hits the shelves. But then, something like this happens. A watch quietly appears through select retailers without a single shout from the main brand. It earned the nickname of a secret menu item because you really had to be looking to find it. This timepiece is a masterclass in how to blend legendary pop culture with genuine horological style. It takes the bones of a classic 1970s racing chronograph and gives it a soul. When you hold it, the 40mm stainless steel case feels substantial. It has a weight that suggests quality without being a heavy brick on your arm. The brushed finish on the steel links catches the light in a very subtle way. It does not scream for attention. It earns it. Now, look at that dial. The deep blue color acts as the perfect backdrop for the white markers and subdials. It is a very specific shade of blue. It feels oceanic and deep. Inside those subdials, you find Snoopy. He is not just standing there. He is in different poses. This adds a sense of movement and playfulness to a tool that is normally very serious. This is a racing watch at heart. You have the tachymeter bezel ready to measure speed. You have the sharp, punchy pushers on the side of the case. But then you have this cartoon icon staring back at you. It is a brilliant contrast. It reminds me of the days when watches were tools, but also expressions of personality. The domed acrylic crystal is the absolute cherry on top. It distorts the edges of the dial just a little bit when you look at it from an angle. That is a hallmark of vintage design. It feels warm to the touch. It makes the watch feel like a piece of history rather than a mass-produced gadget. Even the movement choice makes sense for a daily wearer. The quartz engine inside is a workhorse. It is precise and dependable. You do not have to worry about winding it or keeping it on a movement winder. You just put it on and go. It even offers 50 meters of water resistance. That is more than enough for a rainy day or a quick splash at the sink. On the back, the engraving of the whole Peanuts gang is a lovely touch for the fans. It marks a special anniversary. This makes it feel like a true collectible, rather than just another retail item. For around $289, the value proposition here is almost unbeatable. It is not trying to be a luxury status symbol. It is something much better. It is a watch that makes you smile every time you check the time. It proves that great design does not have to cost as much as a car. Sometimes the best things in life are the ones that stay under the radar until you are lucky enough to find them. This watch is for the person who wants a bit of character on their wrist. It is for the person who appreciates the history of racing, but still loves a good comic strip. It brings those two worlds together in a way that feels seamless and incredibly fun. You get the stainless steel bracelet with those brushed links. You get the quick-release spring bars for easy strap changes. Everything about it feels thoughtful. It is a secret worth sharing. It captures a moment in time where we can appreciate the craft of a well-made object without the pretension of the high-end market. It is functional art. It is a piece of your childhood strapped to your wrist. It is exactly why we love this hobby. It is all about the joy,